On today's episode of Paint Society, we're going to take the worst example of a 93 Toyota Supra and turn it into an award-winning SEMA show car. There he is.
We're all done.
There
You want to show up?
All done, Bus.
Got a freaking bagel in here.
What you got, bagel?
Now make sure, you put gloves on, all right?
No, I'm not putting no.
I've seen you guys on the video not using gloves with lacquer thinner, wearing his fingers out.
Yeah, what about, let's show your fingers. How about that?
I'm old.
Yeah. All right, so we're here and we're ready to get this thing sprayed. It's getting late into the morning, or the early morning. It's 1:39. Well, the time is 3:21 in the morning and we are gonna drive to our hotel and go to sleep. And the guys are saying they wanna be back here at 8 a.m. I don't know about that. We're gonna have to see how that goes. But we'll catch you guys in the morning.
I'm so tired.
Well, we're back here, it's the next morning. We all thought we were gonna be here by 8 and I was the only one that actually showed up at 8. Everyone else showed up around 9, 10 o'clock. But Candyman's over here working. He's got a lot of things going on here. He already took everything and sanded it all down. So the big question of the day is, will he let me hold the paint gun or will he just let me clean it? But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get everything blocked out. We got 180,
Yeah.
320, and then we're good to go. So let's roll. All right, so we're unmasking all the car because we're gonna be running 2 booth cycles. Candyman's gonna be doing a lot of the accessory pieces, and then for the actual body of the car, he's gonna be painting the fenders and the doors all at once, so we have that nice consistency. Time's running, it's around 12 o'clock already, so we gotta make sure that we get everything done, masked up nice and clean, so we can come over here and have the same finish on the rest of the car.
He wants pizzas tonight. That's what the whole thing is he came for, was the pizzas tonight. You guys have seen the pizzas? That's why he's coming down.
We got the last parts to get in the booth for the first batch. All right, before you go ahead and paint. If you got any bare metal, we're using an etch wipe. So all you gotta do is wipe it on, and you're good to go. That metal's protected. This is for good little spots, little cut throughs, burn throughs. That way you don't have to go ahead and self-etch the whole entire thing or whatever it might be. And we're making progress, guys. Check it out. Everything's all based up. Look how beautiful that looks. That water base just lays down so phenomenally smooth. Really love the look of it. Absolutely stunning. Got a tailgate completely smoothed out. We're gonna set you guys up in the corner. Candyman's gonna lay down 2 coats wet, and we'll check them out when it's all done. Let's check it out. All right, Jack's getting the final sand on the body. Now, remember with this primer, he can actually cut it up to 180 grit and all the way down to 320. And look, there's absolutely no burn throughs with this primer. So really good things, really good film build on this actual primer itself. How many mils did you say?
So this will build up to 12 to 16 mils. And it's a really thick primer that allows you to get all of the fine imperfections out of it, so that when you put your base coat and your clear coat on it, that it looks
beautiful.
Chef's kiss.
Now, there's 2 ways I guess you could do this. You could prime it again, or you could do what we're gonna do, which is still really recommended. It's just basically seal it. All right, so the car is all ready to go into the spray booth. We're gonna let Candyman and Jack take this one home from here, and we'll check it out when it's all done. It really, really looks good. And man, what an honor to be in this actual shop working with these professionals. I've got to hit the road because I got to get back. I got work here on Monday, but I know you guys really enjoy this. This is Brian from Paint Society reminding you, don't overthink it. It's just paint. Let's see how these guys finish up this job. I know it's gonna come out super nice.